Saw it on the rack, it was only 2 Jacksons. I'd put it on, I'd be the main attraction. I put my arms in the sleeve and I felt a certain poise. It was abalone buttons and corduroy. I pulled the collar up and I looked like James Dean. And the girl behind the counter, she was looking at me. Well, sometimes you'll find a diamond in the rough. With eyes like that, I got all caught up, torn and frayed, in need of repair, torn and frayed, oh, in need of repair, all alone, baby, all alone. She was standing right there. Laid my Jacksons down on the counter and there was no doubt. Well, she said, "Mister, I can see that you're wearing it out." And the time was perfect and the time was right. I asked her, "Baby, do you want to go have some dinner tonight?" And she hesitated and time stood still and everything went in slow motion just like a Hollywood film. My eyes took a walk from her toes to her tips to her lips. Man, I wanna sail that ship, yeah. I wanna sail that ship, well, out in the deep blue sea, you and me, girl. Looked at me crazy and she got me in a sight. She said, "You wear that jacket and I'm yours tonight." Torn and frayed, in need of repair. Torn and frayed, what need of repair, all alone. Standing right there. Jumpsuit and a purple lei. Dinner time, he had just left the buffet. Took the elevator up to his room. Man, he was whistling Dust My Broom. A silver pistol on a velvet bed. Man, he watched the TV just to clear his head. Mr. Goulet came on the screen. That's when he emptied the magazine. And Elvis shot the television. He shot the television. He shot the RCA. Elvis shot the television. He shot the television. He shot the RCA. And he was loaded. The tubes exploded. He shot at Robert Goulet. Goulet. Came in with the cleanup crew. The hotel doctor said, man, too many blues. The fireman came in from the sound of the bell. Welcome to the Heartbreak Hotel. And Elvis shot the television. He shot the television. He shot the RCA. Elvis shot the television. Shot the television, baby, shot the RCA. And he was loaded. The tubes exploded. He shot at Robert Goulet. Goulet, here it comes, Adam. Woo! Well, brand new Zenith with rabbit ears. Oh, Bobby sang, he brought those women to tears. Elvis came in, man, he heard that sound. That's when he emptied another round. And Elvis shot the television. He shot the television. He shot the RCA. Elvis shot the television. He shot the television. He shot the RCA. And he was loaded. The tubes exploded. He shot at Robert Goulet. Goulet. One more time, man. Stir up the streets, I'm gonna spread the word. Well, sure as hell my voice will be heard. I'm gonna say some things you don't want to hear. I'm sitting in, you'll find me here. It's gonna be loud. Well, there'll be no silence. No ideals of violence. Well, I'm just waiting for the walls to come down. Oh, you know I'm chipping away. I'm just waiting for it all to go down. Right here on Judgment Day. So give me a shot, don't make it a double. I'm gonna get myself. I'm gonna get myself into some good trouble. Good trouble. It's because it's a law that don't make it right. But I'm gonna march down the streets tonight, down that Freedom Highway. We'll set sail, Freedom Highway. We'll set sail. Won't be the first time I've been to jail. It's gonna be loud. There'll be no silence. No ideals of violence. No. I'm just waiting for the walls to come down. You know I'm chipping away, but I'm just waiting for it all to go down right here on Judgment Day. So give me a shot, don't make it a double. I'm gonna get myself. Come on, boys. I'm gonna get myself.